Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to get top n rows from source document in SSIS. So in SQL, usually if you want to get the top rows from the table, you need to use the top class. So here I am taking this table. This is the test rank table where ICC give top 10 ranking of batsmen based on their performance in 2022. So here I am using, and then if you see the table name and country, there is no ID and rank in this table. So if you want to get the top 5 batsmen, you will execute just top number, which number you want. You can do accordingly to get the output. So in the same way, I have my source document which also contain the name and country of the batsman, top 10 batsmen. But there is no ID or rank here. Now, in SSIS, how I get the same result of top five rows what I shown in SQL. Yeah, I will show in this demo. So, so for this, my workflow is like this. First, I am using flat file source just to read the data from the text document. Second one, I am taking script component to generate the sequential numbers of the data for the 10 rows in the source document. And conditional split. The logic here and the top 5 is mentioned in this conditional split. Afterward, I am taking the multicast just to see the output. I don't want to load this data, just I want to see the output. I am using the multicast. So this is my workflow. I am taking first data flow task, double click. So here I am taking flat file source to configure, go to new, browse the file and columns, advanced and preview, and go to columns, two columns in the input, the same two columns will appear here. And now you can drag the script component. So you need to write 2 lines of code here. So I am taking transformation. So here I am connecting the flat file source with script component. Double click, go to input columns and select the 2 columns and go to inputs and outputs, and in output column. So I want to create one new column here. The name of rank. Rank I am creating one new column. But by default rank it will take 4 bytes and integer. So if you want to load the data in any table, as per the compatibility, you need to change your data type here and go to script and edit script. So here you need to write 2 lines of code. I'm here declaring one integer variable int 32 and name of the variable is row number. If you go directly, and here you need to write your logic, row number into 1, and second one here is row. So it is there in the input buffer parameter. So I am taking this parameter row dot. We already created one name called rank in script component output columns. I am taking this rank is equal to this row number. So this is the 2 lines of code here. So I am saving this, close it, and click OK. Afterwards, I am taking conditional split transformation. Connecting. So here I write my logic here. So in source document, it is there are only two columns, name and country. So by using the script component, we created one output column, new column, that is the rank. So I am applying the logic on this rank. So here my output name is top 5 top 5 batsman. This is my output name. I am writing here less than or equal to 5. Rank less than or equal to 5. That is my logic, and click OK. Now finally I am using the multicast transformation. Multicast. So in conditional split, there is the default output is there, and uh, our logic written output name is there. I am taking the top 5 batsmen where our logic is there. So I am selecting this one and click OK. Now I am enabling the viewer here to see the output. Yeah. Now if you run the package, you will see whatever the result you see in the SQL, the same result you will get in SSIS also, but with ID, along with ID. Yes, see here the output. First name, Manas uh, Lambus Chain, Steve Smith, Baba Regime, Travis Head, Joe Root. But we are assigning a rank by using the script component. So this is how you need to generate you need to get the top rows when your source document do not have any rank and ID, primary ID column. So if there is ID, we can directly use that ID that mentioned in the conditional split. If there is ID in your source document, ID or rank in this document, so we we there is no need to use the script component. Then if there is ID, the only workflow will be the flat file source, conditional split, and multicast. No need to use the script component. The script component what we use here is the to generate the sequential numbers. So without sequential numbers, you cannot get the mention your logic in conditional split. That's why I am first using the script component to get the sequential number, and on that the number or rank, I apply the logic on conditional split. So this is how you need to do in SSIS. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.